Settle. Beta, we have Uppal K. Raja, Uppal R. Raja from 9B. From Alpha, we have Fatima Khan from grade 12D. And from Gamma, we have Anika Singhal from 12D again. Please sit back, relax, stay focused, think rapidly and answer confidently. Yeah? Shall we start? Before I
pay attention, nobody will speak here. I told you maintain the intense atmosphere, and you also please maintain the tempo and cool. But question will be asked, you will be given only 2 seconds to answer. So immediately after 2 seconds, the quiz master will go to the next question. Answers will not be revealed immediately for the unanswered questions. All questions after the round is over will appear along with the answers to clarify your answers. So immediately you need to answer. There is no negative marking. Purposely I have removed negative marking in every round because I just want children to get encouraged. So remember, you can make a wild guess, make mistakes, you will not get negative marking. Okay, be confident and answer. Thank you.
all the responding questions will be asked to you. Yeah? Okay. The time is up. Thank you. I know it wasn't easy, but yeah. Now we'll have Uppal on the hot seat. Which denomination currency note has the image of Konark Sun Temple? May we please have a timer? 100. What is the name of India's first international biosphere reserve? How many commands are there in Indian Army? How many parts are there in the Constitution of India? 1. Who was the first Indian vice president who did not become the president of the country? Who is popularly known as Frontier Gandhi? According to Hindu mythology, which planet is Brihaspati? Mars. On which day do you experience the vernal equinox? Where is the National Research Center for Grapes located? What do you call the study of soils? Which game is associated with Ajlan Shah Cup? Hockey. What is the chemical name of vitamin D? Who is known as Shakespeare of India? Rabindranath Tagore. Name the state with least population density. Goa. Who is the Chief Justice of India? Time is up. Currency note has the image of stone chariot of Hampi. 5. Which is the highest mountain peak in Karnataka? Which air command is located at Thiruvananthapuram? Which Constitutional Amendment Act is called as Mini Constitution? Who is the Chief Minister of Gujarat? The first and last Indian Governor General of India? Which planet is 110 million kilometers away from the Sun? Sorry, Uranus. Which day is observed as World No Tobacco Day? Where is the gateway of India located? Mumbai. Which instrument is used to measure the speed of the wind? Sorry, you have to be loud because they have to hear. Kuchipudi is a classical dance associated with which Indian state? Kerala. What is measured in fathoms? Who was the author of the book Anand Mat? Vivekananda. Name the largest river basin in the world. Whose body was cremated in the Vijay Ghat? Do you want to make a try? You still have 8 seconds more. No? Yes. Thank you, Anika. We'll look on to the answers now. Which denomination currency note has a measure of stone chariot of Hampi, rupees 50? Which is the highest mountain peak in Karnataka, Mullayanagiri? Which air command is located at Thiruvananthapuram, Southern Air Command? Which Constitutional Amendment Act is called as Mini Constitution, 42nd in 1976? Who is the Chief Minister of Gujarat? Bhupendra Bhai Patel. the first and last Indian Governor General of India, Dr. C. Rajagopalachari, which planet is 1 million kilometers away from the sun, Venus. This day is observed as the World No Tobacco Day, 31st May, whereas the Gateway of India located Mumbai, which instrument is used to measure the speed of the wind meter. Kuchipudi, the classical dance, is associated with which Indian state, Andhra Pradesh? What is measured in fathoms depth of a sea? Who is author of the book Arunma, Banki Chandra Chatterjee? Name the largest river basin in the world with Amazon, whose body was cremated in the Vijayanagar, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Thank you, Monica. Which denomination currency note has the image of Rani Ki Bar? 500. Name the largest mangrove forest in the world. Which is the highest commissioned rank in Indian Air Force? Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with languages of India? Who is the governor of Karnataka? Which Indian national leader is titled as Sher-e-Punjab? In relation to atmosphere, what is name of equatorial low pressure belt? When do we observe the Navy Day? Where is the Himalayan Mountaineering Institute located? Arunachal Pradesh, name the isoplets which connect equal amount of atmospheric pressure in the map. Which game is associated with the Odor Trophy? Name the lightest gas, helium. Who is the first Nobel laureate from Asia? Name the international airport in New Delhi. Who discovered vitamins? You want to answer any of the 4 questions here? The time is up. We'll check the answers. Which denomination currency note has the image of Rani Ki Bar, which is 100? Name the largest mangrove forest in the world, Sundarbans, which is the highest commissioned rank in Indian Air Force, Air Chief Marshal. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with languages of India? Who is the governor of Karnataka, Shri Tabashan Gaylord? In relation to atmosphere, what is the name of equatorial low pressure depth? Tundra. When do we observe the Navy Day? 4th December. Where is the Himalayan Mountaineering Institute located? Darjeeling. Name the isoplets which connect equal amount of atmospheric pressure in the map, isobars. Which game is associated with the Odor Trophy? Cricket. Name the lightest gas, hydrogen. Who is the first Nobel laureate from Asia? Rabindranath Tagore. Name the international airport in New Delhi, Indira Gandhi International Airport. Who discovered vitamins? Sir F.G. Hopkins. Thank you. Can we actually give a big round of applause to all our participants of the rapid fire, because it wasn't easy and then they still sustained, they did try the maximum best. A huge round of applause to all the participants of our quiz competition.
Okay, now they have come. This competition championship goes to Unique Gathering House. Congratulations to Unique Gathering House participants and also the house masters for their